Welcome back to the WordPress Basics videos. Now, in this next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to go ahead and add hyperlinks into your content. Alright, this is going to be primarily for text. I'll show you how to do it with images in just a little bit. But now, if you see, I can take any of this text. Okay, I can take a full sentence even. Alright, and you see this button right here? And what that says is insert edit link. Okay, and what that means is I can insert a hyperlink. So I want to do that. I want to go ahead and click on insert hyperlink. And what it's telling you is it's going to ask you for the URL of the website that you want. So I'm going to just type in mysite.com. Okay, and I can also ask it if I want to open the link in a new window or tab. Sometimes you don't want people leaving your site, so you can go ahead and click on open link in new tab. I could also choose for it to link to an internal page if I wanted. Okay, I don't want to. I want this to go to an outside site. And I can name this. I can name this. So I could name this my site. That could be the title of it. That's really optional. You don't always have to do that. What's important is that you get in the HTTP / the web address that you want to put in there. Like if you were building an affiliate site, it might be an affiliate link, anything like that. And then you just click on add link. In fact, I'm going to just go ahead and make this Google. Okay. Click on add link, and you can see when I mouse over that, that's now become a link. And if I update this, and then if we go and refresh this page here, you're going to see that this whole line here has become a hyperlink, and it brings me to Google. And you can see I chose for it to open in a new tab, but what I can also do now is you can see I can get rid of that link if I want to. So if I just want some pictures to be the hyperlink, I can just go ahead and click on that. And I don't want to open it in a new tab. I can click on add link, update the page, and you'll see now instead of that whole line being a link, just this right here, some pictures, is now the link. And you can also see it didn't open in a new window. You know, it's opened in the same window. And that's because that was what I chose for it to do. So that's how you add a hyperlink from either some text or a paragraph. You can, add as many hyperlinks in as you want to a page. And remember that they're always going to, when they click on that link, they're going to go to the website or the web address that you want them to go to. All right, I'll see you in the next video.